Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi. I have joined this digital marketing course from Digital Vidya in January. At first, I was a little curious how will the course will be because being a mother is too difficult for a woman to manage all the things. But with the support of all the mentors, teachers, and all the coordinators, this process has done completed with the great efforts, and I'm too happy with the process. All the recordings will be there for you, and you will not be getting any difficulty in doing tasks because the coordinators and mentors will assist you how the things will be done properly, and you will get assignments hand to hand. You will have hand in practice. At the end, I was a little nervous about the placement sector because I want to get a job as soon as earlier. I want to get experience in this field. As being a fresher, it's very imperative for me to get some experience in hand to get more success in life. But with the help of Digital Vidya, they let me to give interviews in most of the companies, and luckily I got selected in one of them, which is Web Wisdom Company. It's based in Ghaziabad. So I got placement there, and soon I'm going to join this company. So I'm totally happy and satisfied with the efforts of all the Digital Vidya team. Thank you so much for taking me and letting me to excel in my all the skills. And thank you all the mentors who gave me all the support and letting us know all the things about digital marketing. Thank you so much.